It's big, it's wide, it's ergonomic. This is a very comfortable keyboard. The keys are soft and quiet, the cord is long, the cushioning is just right. I've passed a few of these in the past year, and I must say, Microsoft can do better. The padding peels off very quickly, and it doesn't take long until the keyboard looks like an old, nasty rag. Some keys stop working sometimes. Just think how annoying it can be to throw away a nice keyboard like this just because your spacebar or other buttons stopped working. And unfortunately, I had to do just that. Overall, I would recommend checking a different model. Thanks for watching!